This is the final video to fix iCloud Sync, making your Mac desktop disappear. And if you open your Mac only to find your files gone, you're not alone. Are you struggling to find your important documents, photos, or work saved on your desktop? This usually happens when iCloud Sync moves your desktop files to the cloud without showing them locally, and many tutorials online make it look super complicated with long steps or confusing settings. But on Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that recovers your lost desktop files in just a few clicks. All you need to do is open your iCloud drive, check the Desktop and Documents folder, and drag your files back where they belong. Simple, fast, and safe. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to restore every file. So comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexish,